Okay, the problem says to take these 2 points and write it in standard form. What you need to know is standard form is the form ax plus by is equal to c, where these a's, b's, and c's have to be integers. A, b, and c have to be integers. That's a positive or negative whole number. Now, sometimes it will say that a needs to be positive, so we're going to look at it 2 ways. First, we're going to find the equation of the line using point-slope form. Point-slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Well, this m is the slope. This x1 and y1 is either of these points. This is -4, pardon me. So let's find the slope. Recall that slope is the change in y divided by the change in x. So subtracting some y's, I will go 1 minus -4. Subtracting some x's, I will go 3/4 minus 2. Remember, it doesn't matter which order you do the subtraction as long as you do the top and the bottom in the same order. Minus a negative is plus, that's 5 in the numerator. 3/4 minus 1/4 is a -1 1/4, that's a -5/4. When you invert and multiply here, you will get 20 over 5, and that is -4. Alright, that's my slope. That's going to go in, is going to go in place of m. So I will use this point, y minus y1. In this case, it'll be y minus a -4. That'll be plus. Equals, slope is -4. Parentheses, x minus, or x1, that'll be 2. Distributing my -4 over here gives -4x plus 8. Here I have y plus 4. If you had a fraction, you would need to eliminate it. For example, if you had this, y minus 2 equals 1/3 x plus 5. I have a feeling you know how to do this because you successfully eliminated in that other one. But here I could multiply everything by 3. Multiplying this whole equation by 3 would give 3y minus 6. 3 times 1/3, the 3 would cancel 3 to leave 1x plus 15. Okay, so multiplying by the denominator would eliminate all fractions. You might need to do that. Here I want to get this value over here. I want to get the x on this other side because that's what my standard form looks. So I add 4x to both sides. This cancels and leaves 8. 4x plus y plus 4. They're all in like terms. I can't combine. Now I need to subtract that 4 on both sides. So I'm left with 4x plus y equals 4. This is standard form. Now, if that first number is a negative, consider multiplying everything by -1, that is changing all the signs, and that may help out.